Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate savings goals with Qapital, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Qapital app on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from your app store and create an account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Savings Goals section. Tap on Create a new goal. Choose the type of goal you want to set. Options can include saving for a vacation, an emergency fund, or any personal project. Next, enter the name of your goal. Select the amount you want to save for. Set a deadline for when you want to reach this goal. Now, choose how you want to fund this goal. Qapital offers various methods such as rounding up your purchases or creating custom rules. To utilize the roundup feature, enable it and connect your checking account. With each purchase, the spare change will automatically save toward your goal. For custom rules, tap on Create Rule and set parameters based on your spending habits. For example, you can set a rule to save a specific amount every time you go out for coffee. After setting your rules, review the details of your savings goal. Once satisfied with everything, tap Create Goal to finalize it. Your goal should now be visible on your dashboard. Monitor your progress as you save. You can adjust your goals and rules at any time based on your changing needs. Utilize notifications to keep you updated on your savings journey. Congratulations, you're now set to automate your savings with Qapital. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.